let's see if we can get the alphabet clear. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, V,
Mm-mm.
V is this. O, G, V, E, J, J, V, T, V, O, P, C, T, U, V, Z.
Wow, can we clap for Morgan? Wow. Okay, Faith, can you read for us?
A, B, G, D, E, F, G, V, E, G, K, O, P, C, D, U, V, Z.
Wow, can we clap for Faith?